right, today is the day. The stump grinding process is underway. All the steps that got involved with this thing, cutting them all down, moving the treetops, and now we're finally to the stump grinding process. Good buddy Chaz is out here with Griffin Stump Some More, and this machine he has is amazing. It's all remote control like you're playing a video game, and it tears up some stumps. Can't wait to see it all done and leveled out. This will be make it a lot easier to drill, and it'll solve my shade issues and my drought issues when the trees came up. So he's getting really close to being done. Got a few more to go, and we'll start the cleanup process. Let's go. All right, Chaz just left with his machine. Stump grinding is done. Pretty excited to have this done. You can see what that thing does. I mean, there's a nice stack of mulch right here. I didn't get a whole lot of my drilling done because I love watching machines like that work and stuff, and I'm a big talker, so I mostly just talk to him and watch the machine. So I'm gonna get this drilling done, then scoop up these piles right here, probably go get the rake back on or maybe a box blade and drag these things out to where they're perfect. So super pumped to get this thing done. I'm gonna get back on the tractor, do some drilling. Stump project is almost a wrap. Tree project, timber project, almost got this stuff done. So pretty excited about that. This will make it way easier for me to run a drill through here and really get to work. So great dude, his machine's awesome. Remote control, I mean, I got some video of it I'll post up here with, but if you need any stumps ground or work like that, give him a call. Griffin Stump Some More. Hit him up.